What's up everybody, Cilinix Crypto here. Are you tired of missing opportunities and losing money while trading in these markets? Then I might have the solution for you. For those of you who don't know, we run the Cilinix Crypto Signal and Premium group, in which I not only share my own trades, so profitable signals, but I also give you 24/7 mentoring to actually become a better trader yourself, and you gain access to a trading guide with multiple strategies and basic beginner tricks to actually become a profitable trader yourself. If you're interested in that, links will be down in the description or in the pinned comment, and make sure to check that out right now. If you join through Telegram, there's actually a limited time only lifetime offer in there as well. So check that out and hopefully we will connect. Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video right here on Ethereum. We're back with a full video. We're going to do a full update here on Ethereum, mainly regarding the technicals. I think the technicals at this point of time are actually most interesting. So I'll focus on that, but in general, I mean, if you're new to the channel, my goal is always to prepare you as well as I can for what's happening with Ethereum. I've tried to do that over the course of this week as well. Yesterday we made a video talking about this breakout, right? I mean, yesterday in the video on Ethereum, I said Ethereum finally breaking out, and finally we did break out. All right, the most important level, in my opinion, was right here between 4,500, but more crucially 4,480, and I still think that's the most important level. We've broken above that, but I have to say, I mean, if you compare the volume, which you can see down here, right, and this is not the absolute volume, but it gives you a good impression. If you compare that to the volume we had about a month ago at the beginning of August, this is incredibly low, all right? And that is also one of the things that makes me a little bit cautious, not scared, of course, but a little bit cautious on this breakout, and that I would like to see a little bit more confirmation. But ultimately, I think I think there's a good chance this is a real breakout. And obviously, this is a prediction video. If I would have to give you my prediction, just to start off this video, I would say it's a real breakout. I mean, if you look at this price action right here as well, right? I mean, yesterday we had inflation rate data, which is quite relevant. That's very relevant. And then you have the major coins reacted at the most, or at least the reaction that the major coins have says most about the markets. You can see Ethereum spiked down into the 4-hour trend right here in the 7-day rolling VWAP, which it was able to break above on Wednesday. And we got a beautiful reaction. I mean, you can see that right here as well. We still had a fair value gap right here that we left Thursday morning during the Asian session, which was quite strong. Spiked down into that, didn't even reach the 7-day rolling VWAP on Coinbase, and instantly spiked back up, right? And basically, or at least not much happened afterwards. And then over the course of this Asian session, which, you know, Asians love Ethereum, to be fair. I mean, Ethereum does very, very well always during the Asian session. We got another leg up. And again, I mean, like I said, the volume is quite low. The volume you can see down here, this is Coinbase volume. Volume on Binance was a little bit higher, of course, but ultimately volume was low. So we left quite a lot of imbalances. But the thing is that, you know, it's we've already observed over the last couple of days that Ethereum was gaining some momentum. We knew that. We spoke about that. The Ethereum ecosystem is doing a little bit better as well. It could be doing better, to be fair, but we're seeing some renewed strength. If you look at Ethereum naming service, ENS, for example, but also Pendle. So that's good to see. So I have to say that when I'm thinking about my general thoughts about the general financial markets and the general crypto market right now, I'm bullish on those, and I have been. And when I look at the price action we've had over the last couple of days, I would say this is real as well. So I do think we're going to test this level right here between 4,480, where we have a single print, and 4,460, where we have the 30-day rolling VWAP. I do think we're going to test that. And that's also the main level you have to keep your eyes on, right? I mean, if we get a very weak reaction there, or if we break down below that again, then this was a fake out. It was all fake, and we're back into the range. But I think it's a real breakout, and I think we can actually move up higher into this level right here at 4,650, 4,675. And from there, we'll talk again, and from there, we'll see whether we can actually head into the previous highs and potentially even new all-time highs. But it's a little bit early to talk about that, and the volume and the momentum at this point of time, even though there's definitely some in the price, it's much too low to really talk about a massive move like that, of course. So those are my thoughts, but definitely interesting. I would also keep an eye on the Ethereum ecosystem, like I said, but that's it for now. So thank you for watching. Have a great Friday, everybody, and take care. Bye.